Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. The skull edit in CapCut is a viral trend often seen on TikTok that involves making a person's face or even the entire body transition into a skull or have skull-like features, usually accompanied by even sharp effects, shakes, and specific audio. It leverages CapCut's overlay, masking, keyframing, and effect capabilities. This tutorial will guide you through creating popular skull transitions and effects in CapCut. Let's get to the first part, that is gathering your materials. Before even you start editing, you'll need a few things here. Your video clip, a video of a person or even an object that you want to apply the skull effect to. For best results, use a clip where the subject's face is relatively clear and well fit. We also have skull overlay or green screen. This is the most crucial element. You'll need a video or image of a skull that you can overlay. For green screen skull, search on your browser here and get from sites like Pixabay, skull overlay green screen, or even skeleton green screen. Just download a suitable clip of your choice. We will use this PNG skull image. Just find a transparent PNG image right here on your favorite browser as well. Let's get to the second part, that is core skull effect and transition techniques. We will cover the main methods for achieving the skull effect. The first method is the skull face overlay. This is a very common way to make a face appear like a skull. So first of all, open the CapCut and in here import your main video and the skull video or image. Place the main video on the primary track like this, just dragging it in here, and now bring in the skull video or image, dragging it on a track above it this way. Also now position and resize. In the preview window, drag the skull overlay and use the corner handles like this to resize and align it with the face. We are now going to the keyframing of the skull. This is for movement because we need to track this face. So select the skull overlay, go to the right hand properties panel here, under video and then basic. Now click the keyframe icon. This is this diamond with a plus like this next to position and size because we are going to change the positions. Now move the playhead, then reposition the skull in the preview. CapCut automatically adds new keyframes. So just do this repetitively, playing your video here and just make sure that the skull is moving together with the face like this. Now let's add effects to the skull, which is optional but it's key. Go to the effects tab here in the top left panel, drag a desired effect, that is a shake or even a neon scan, edge glow, onto the skull overlay clip here in the timeline. Just adjust the settings in the effect controls panel here at the right side. Let's get to sound effects. Import powerful sound effects like whoosh, impact, glitch sound, skull crack, even evil laugh. So sync this precisely with the visual transition for maximum impact. CapCut's sound effects library has many options as well here. Also, we have color grading or adjustments to enhance the dark or edgy vibe. Select the clips here, go to the adjustments. This is desktop here, right hand panel here. Now decrease brightness and saturation, increase the contrast, use vignette to darken edges, and then add a dark or desaturated filter. Transition to next clip. After the clip transition, you can cut to your next video clip. Consider adding a distort or wipe transition between the skull clip and the next one. The second method is the skull emoji or overlay from CapCut's built-in library. I just researched and found this. CapCut sometimes offers skull overlays directly within its sticker or effect libraries. So this is the easiest method available. So go to the stickers here tab or effects tab. Just type in skull here in the stickers. I have it in here. So if at all it's not available, you don't have this option. But if found, drag it onto your timeline like this. Adjust in the properties panel as well. So let's get now to enhancing your skull edit for viral potential. Audio sync is key. Precise synchronization of visual effects with beats or specific moments in your background music is key for virality. Also time remapping, speed ramps for dramatic effect. Slow down the video just before the skull transition, then speed it up rapidly during or after the effect. Color correction is also here. Apply a dark, desaturated, or high contrast filter or use manual adjustments to match the grim aesthetic. We also have sound design. Don't underestimate sound effects. Layer them carefully. Impact sound at the moment of the skull reveal. We also have whoosh or swish for transitions, glitches, static, or deep bass rumbles. So for any unsettling atmosphere. Text and caption as well. Add bold, impactful text with relevant skull emojis or phrases, often with text animations like typewriter or even glitch. Now export for social media. Once finished, go to the export here and click on it. We have the export settings here, resolution which is 1080 or 4K if source allows, frame rate, keep it at 30 FPS or 60 FPS. For bitrate, use the recommended or higher for best quality. Now share directly. CapCut offers direct sharing options to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, etc., which helps maintain quality and even the aspect ratios. Mastering the skull edit involves creativity and a bit of trial and error with CapCut's various tools. Experiment, watch other viral edits for inspiration, and practice to perfect your technique. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.